Welcome to ASSURiot, your high-value asset monitoring system. Inside the box, you will first find your ASSURiot tracking device. Underneath, you'll find a quick start guide, a packet containing various mounting hardware, like hook and loop, and 3M command strip. You'll also find a charging cable and a wireless device charger. Your ASSURiot tracker has an amazing battery life of up to 4 years. It is rechargeable, assuring your assets stay safely monitored for as long as you need. To assure a full charge, place the device on the charger for at least 2.5 hours. You must center the charging icon under the ASSURiot logo to the center of the charger. Adjust your device placement until the device is centered on the charger and the indicator light turns solid. If the indicator light is blinking, adjust your device position. After the initial charge, your device will be ready to connect to the ASSURiot mobile app and then be added to your asset.